Do you know why Japanese buildings withstand earthquakes so well? A high percentage of buildings in Japan are equipped with seismic isolators. These are elements installed between the structure and its foundation to allow some movement during an earthquake. This helps protect the structural integrity of the building and minimize damage. In the next video, we will make an analogy to better understand how isolators work. Here, the cart would represent the ground, the girl would represent the building, and the wheels of the skates would represent the seismic isolators.